Introducing the Chariot Gladiator, the revolutionary solution for the security industry. Combining the strength of a four-wheel ATV with the simplicity of a scooter, the Gladiator takes mobility for security professionals to the next level. With its low-profile design, boarding and dismounting is effortless. Its superb suspension guarantees a smooth and comfortable ride, even on uneven terrain. Operating the Gladiator is a breeze. Just push the throttle to move forward, or activate reverse with the touch of a button. Safety is key. The conveniently placed safety switch allows you to engage or disengage in seconds. Plus, control your environment with ease. Turn security lights on or off, or activate the built-in loud horn with just a press of your thumb. You can ride standing upright or take advantage of the rest seat for a semi-standing position. It's that simple. 4 fast transitions. Onboarding is a breeze. Seamlessly just step on, ride away, and go. The carry case is perfect for emergency tools. And there are dedicated holders for your phone and drink, making every feature incredibly functional. But that's not all. Experience unmatched comfort, improved efficiency, and reduced fatigue. Say goodbye to the strain of constant knee bending and hello to a more productive idea. The Chariot 3000 redefines personal mobility with its lightweight, portable design and cutting-edge features. Weighing just 73 pounds, it's lighter than most mopeds, making it easy to carry and transport. Its foldable handlebars allow it to compact to just 30 inches high and 38 inches long, making it effortlessly storable and perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Engineered for superior maneuverability, the Chariot 3000 features 3.5-inch ground clearance and 4 shock absorbers, ensuring a smooth ride on city sidewalks, off-road trails, or uneven surfaces. Its slim 23-inch width is designed to glide through standard 36-inch doors, enabling users to navigate tight spaces and obstacles with ease. Performance meets precision with its 5-speed gears, offering speeds of up to 22 miles per hour for a fully customized riding experience, equipped with both throttle and manual handle-operated disc brakes. It delivers seamless acceleration and reliable stopping power, ensuring safety and control. This versatile device is perfect for a wide range of applications. Whether you're traversing large warehouses or manufacturing facilities, the Chariot 3000 reduces walking time, minimizes fatigue, and boosts productivity. For leisure, it's equally at home on serene park paths or rugged trails, providing a refreshing and comfortable way to explore without straining your feet and knees. The eco-friendly design takes sustainability to heart with a rechargeable, exchangeable battery and keyless start options. Its battery-powered operation ensures a quiet, smooth ride while promoting a minimal environmental footprint experience. The future of personal mobility with the Chariot 3000. Whether for work or play, this innovative vehicle is your ticket to effortless travel, blending efficiency, comfort, and freedom into every journey.